Hello guys, I'm not really in good health and I didn't think of uploading a video today, but a question came to me about Facebook Reels and Facebook algorithm, so I have to answer to you. This is what you need to know about Facebook Reels, Facebook algorithm and long videos. So just give your ears, but I'll answer this question very straight and as it's supposed to be done. So please, someone asked, is it true that Facebook Reels makes people go viral more than long videos? The answer is yes, but there are some things I have to explain to you so that you will know the difference and what to do. I'm going to be explaining to you what to do so that you can get attraction from Facebook algorithm. The first thing I want you to know is yes, it's true. Lately, Facebook has given an opportunity where your reels go more viral, and you can easily go viral with reels. But these are things you must know. Number one, you need to know that posting only reels will affect your long videos. If you're posting only reels, it's going to be a problem for your page to pick up with long videos, which we all should know that long videos are not having the same payment with reels, which is short videos. So I'll advise you to know this before you engage. There's something you need to do, which I'm going to be explaining at the end of the video. Number two, you should know that short videos also, when Facebook algorithm wants to picks up your short videos, they will understand when you constantly post short videos, Facebook algorithm will consider it that the videos you are good at are short videos, and that is what they are going to be pushing to the public. So you will maintain going viral on short videos, and when you start posting long videos, you will never, or you might struggle to see that you get views on long videos, which is more preferable as a content creator who is eyeing the Facebook money. So what do you need to do? Facebook has always advised. I don't know if people always read updates on Facebook. I'm able to update you because I'm updated on Facebook informations. Facebook has always advised that always post every options that they give you. That is to say, we have the Facebook Reels, we have the Facebook text posting, picture posting, long videos posting. So now, when you want to go viral, make sure that you don't also forget that you don't always post only viral shorts. Make sure that your reels being posted, you must also post long videos. This is to merge your page in a way that the Facebook algorithm will know that you are active on all their formats of postings. So if you maintain your lane of posting only shorts, which will go viral, but you hardly make good money. So make sure that you use all these options. And one last thing before I forget, know that it is not a crime to use part of your video on your shorts. Okay, posting 60 or 90 minutes video from the main video that you have posted. So if you're posting long videos, also if you're posting short videos, also post long videos to avoid being limited on some parts of your your Facebook engagement or growth. This is very important for content creators who are intending to make money on Facebook. As I said, I wish you can say a word of prayer for me. I'm not really in good health, but because of the love I have for you, I decided to drop this answer to the question that was asked, and I believe you learned something. Post everything that is postable. Long videos, short videos, photos and text. God bless you. Don't forget to share this video and give me a follow for more videos like this.